Dancing is a beautiful art form that requires precise timing, hours of rehearsal, a high level of discipline and commitment. It's also an element that's embedded in every culture in the world. However, in countries like Fiji, it's a well-known fact that arts is also a career path that people are not very fond of taking up or are encouraged to pursue. In our Successful Fijian segment tonight, we feature not one but two individuals who founded a company called VOU and revolutionized our perception of culture, performance and dance.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
We are VOU.
They're young, bold, and in just a few short years, VOU Dance Group has become an incredibly popular and successful business. One doesn't have to look far to see why. The company's founders, Sachiko and Eddie Soro, are extremely dedicated, and their fiery personalities are nothing short of inspirational.
This has always been my work. So my philosophy in life is make passion your paycheck. So like, make passion your paycheck. So whatever you want to do, because that's your life, you're going to have to do it every single day.
As an emerging dance group back in 2007, VOU captured our attention with their creative infusion of culture and temporary performances. Their moves were gathered from dancers of their own villages.
Program where each of the dancers goes back to their own village to study their own meke and chant. We feel that that's very important. If they want to choreograph contemporary dance, they have to come from their own traditional base, whether that's meke or if it's Bharatanatyam or if it's Chinese fan dance.
With about 20 part-time dancers and 8 working full-time, the company literally tailor-makes each performance to suit the audience they're performing for. VOU isn't just a dance company anymore. It opened up a dance school in 2011 in Suva for children as well as grown-ups and has a fashion line that has featured on our catwalks as well. There are also plans to open up a dance school in Nandi as well as diversifying into merchandise. Like everything in life, success comes hand in hand with hard work. Eddie chose to leave his career in the banking industry and happily commit to the business.
Our postgrad degree, which we're doing now, we run the dance group and we have children. But yeah, it's tough. It is tough, but at a certain point, it'll get easier.
Juggling their busy schedules with completing their postgrad honors in dance from Auckland University, running VOU Dance Group and raising their 2 sons, Yasi and Rasa, the dynamic couple shared with us the people who helped them succeed.
For me personally, it's always been my parents. They've always believed in me or never told me what to do. They just said, you follow your passion, you follow whatever you want to do. Like, we believe that you will be successful in what you care about. And I'm so grateful that they let me have that space.
The most influential, I think, in my life, I think was my wife here, Chico. Because she has changed the way I've approached life. And I think without that, I wouldn't be able to open my mind to what I'm doing now.
Talking to the couple, it was clear that they make a perfect team. And with such positive energy and mana in their life and work, success has come naturally and, more importantly, deservingly to this couple, who says they couldn't have done it without the hard work of their team as they push forward to grow their business as well as their family. Ellen Stahls, FBC News.
Successful Fijians was brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.